Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Genesis. If you're new to my channel, then welcome to the beauty family. And if you're already part of it, then welcome back, girl. Today's video, we're gonna be doing the unboxing of the Jeffree Star mystery box. If you wanna see what is in here and if it's popping, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so I went ahead and purchased a mystery box from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This is the second time that I purchased a mystery box. So this time they still had 3 mystery boxes. There was a smaller one than this one, which was $20. This one was $40, and then the big one was $70. So the mini box for $20 had 3 items. This one, the $40, oh, not 40, 45, girl. The $45 box had 5 items, and then the $70 box had 10 items. So I am pretty excited. I ordered this on Friday. Today is Monday. I received it today. It came by pretty fast. Today I actually got the notification that it shipped, and then it was delivered like today. I was like, they're probably like behind, you know, but I feel like it got here pretty quick because I didn't get the fast shipping or anything like that. I just got like the standard, and it got here pretty fast. So props to Jeffree for shipping these out. Well, props to his employees for working them hands and shipping them out. But let's go ahead and open her and see if she is popping or not. I haven't opened her, so let's see what is inside. Let's see. And let's just go in. Okay, so I got a liquid frost, which I do not own any of his liquid frost, so I'm pretty happy about this actually. It's frozen peach, which I don't think is a bad color for me. It looks kind of gold, so let's go ahead and open her and see what she's about. So I got the frozen peach shade. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this baby. It feels pretty lightweight. It's not heavy. I thought it was gonna be heavy. It's not. How do you open this? There you go. I'm like, help me. I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here. Put a little bit of drops, not a lot, because, you know. Whew. So I'm gonna go ahead and rub her in. Oh, there she is. How pretty. Do you guys see this? Look how pretty she is. You know, I think this would be great for like pictures. If you don't want to like use it for your face, you can put this like on the high points of your body for like a little mini shoot and then be in the sun. This will have you glowing. I love that it's not like super intense. It's like very iridescent. So this is great. This is the shade Frozen Peach. I like it. Next, we have a lip ammunition. This one is in the shade Allegedly, as you guys can see right there. I love the component that it's in. It's really pretty. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it's so pretty. Ooh, this color though. It's a little sweaty because obviously, you know, it came in the mail. But let me go ahead and swatch her. I'm going to swatch her right here. Oh, that's a pretty color. Do you guys see that? Okay. So there is that one. Next, I see a wild shade. This one is called Karma. It looks like it's a green poop kind of color. I'm not sure if I want to swatch her because I'm not sure if I am going to keep her because this is like a really crazy color. Which honestly, I can even use these for like eyeliners. But this is what the component looks like. Like I said, I don't want to open her because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep her or not. So I don't want to open it. So pretty much the medium box, the $45 box, and the $70 box, we're going to have like a mystery shade. And he did put on his Instagram that it was going to be like a wearable shade. It wasn't going to be like anything crazy. So it doesn't have a name. It just has like a question mark. So I'm going to see what the color looks like. It looks like a nude. Yeah, it looks like a nude. I'm not sure if I would want to wear this. I mean, it's like a pink mauve color. I'm not like the biggest fans of pink. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep this, but this is what the shade looks like. And there is that. And is that my 5 items? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Really? Yeah, that's pretty much it, I guess. That's it. Contains 5 items. That's pretty much it. 5 items. I feel like this shouldn't count as an item because it's just a freaking pop socket. I really like the mystery boxes from the last time that I received it, because in those I got the same size and those actually came with highlighters, which I think was a better deal, honestly. I feel like they put items that don't really sell that well, or they have a lot of, so they're trying to get rid of it before like the makeup expires or whatever. So I know obviously it's like kind of like a hit and miss when it comes to mystery boxes, but this time I'm kind of disappointed. The only thing that I really liked was pretty much the liquid frost. Everything else was kind of like a eh, and the lipstick was nice too, but I mean, I'd rather get a highlighter than the liquid lipstick. So to me, this mystery box was not really worth it. Again, I know I can't really complain because it's a mystery box, but at the same time it's like, you could have done better. You couldn't at least store in a highlighter. Like, I'd rather have a highlighter than the liquid lipsticks. But yeah, so pretty much, was it worth the $45? I would say no, honestly. I know like if you sum it up together, like the value is more, but to be honest, it wasn't the best and it wasn't that great. I should have just kind of like skipped this mystery box, but I wanted to make this video. You know, I was pretty stoked about it. The last time that I bought the mystery box, I really liked it, but this time I was kind of disappointed. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much all the items that I received. I received the Skin Frost in the shade Frozen Peach, a lip illumination in the shade Allegedly, a liquid lipstick in the shade Karma, and a liquid lipstick in the shade Question Mark. It's like a pink mauve shade, which I have a lot of already, so I'm not going to be using these two. I'm probably going to give them away or sell them. So yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking that red button down below to join the beauty family. And don't forget to leave any comment with any questions, concerns, any video ideas. If you also got yourself a mystery box, what did you get? I would love to know in the comment section, so go ahead and comment what you got in your mystery box. And yeah, I'll go ahead and catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.